What's up? So right now I'm doing a chain swap on my Ssr Pitbike. This is a chain breaker. It pretty much has a pin at the end and it just twists all the way through so it knocks this little pin out of place, which holds the chains together, or the chain linkage. I decided to make this video because it's very helpful to know how to change a chain. So now that I broke the broken piece of chain off with the chain breaker, so I knocked the pin out. Oh shoot, I'm scratching it up. I knocked this little pin out. Now I'm gonna put the new chain on. As you can see, the old piece, the pin snapped off. I don't know, can you guys see that? So now I'm about to put the new chain. One of the most important things about putting a new chain on is being able to break the chain and knowing how much links you actually need. So what I'm gonna do instead of counting is I'm gonna look at the new chain and just match it up to the same length, pretty much, and then put it on. Okay, so on the new chain, it has directions right there on how to put the chain on. So you pinch it with needle nose pliers to put it on. But to remove one, I just wanted to make a video of removing it. You do the opposite. So you see this pin, use this as leverage, and you grab the clip and you squeeze, and it should pop off. See? It was on, now it's off. And then it's a master link, so because it's a master link, it should just come right off. Boom. Came right off. Now you're able to break the chain apart. So to replace a chain, they're usually going to come all together, right? So it's not going to have a broken end like this. It'll usually be one whole piece, and then the linkage. So you put the master clip on and just boop, back into place, and that's that. Also, it says on the instructions to make sure that with the way of rotation, that the clip is on the right side, so that when it's spinning around, all the way around, boom, it doesn't just unclip. So you have to put it the right way. So I think this end piece has to be in the direction in which it's turning. So it will have to be facing this way towards the wheel. So it'll go whoop, 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 whoop. If you face it this way, it's gonna come up and break open. Also, I bought this. I'm about to plug Harbor Freight. Got this at Harbor Freight for 15 bucks, and the chain for 15 bucks. So there's a bunch of chain breakers online there for like 30, 40 bucks, 50 bucks. Go to Harbor Freight. It'll save you a bunch of money. So I lined up the two chains, link for link, and went all the way to the end. So I think I'm gonna break it about here because I broke one off from here. So I'm gonna let it either break right here or right here. Just give me one extra. All the way across. Dang, all this video is coming up sideways. Darn it. Oh well. Okay, now I'm gonna break the chain apart using the chain breaker, which is this guy. So we said right here or right there. Honestly, it should be right here, but I'm gonna give myself one extra little guy. So right on the pin, put it right there, and we're just gonna crank away. you can feel the rivet start to give, or the pin start to give. You just kind of push it over, make sure it's aligned. Keep it aligned so you don't jack up your new chain. Damn, I should move this guy. Make sure it's aligned and slowly start to twist. Ow, fucking busted my knuckles. What's up, Dad?
How's it going with that chain? Pretty good?
Yeah. Just have to be patient.
Yep. So you kind of just back it up sometimes if it's, because it'll start to give, but then you'll feel the pin start to move to the side.
And you don't want to bend your chain, because then it'll probably cause it to fail. So just back it up, in and out, until you get the pin all the way out. And then you're chilling. Boom, the pin's all the way out. Now the chain is free. And now we can put the master link in. Let's see, make sure it's not bent. Good, it's not bent, we're good. Okay, now it's on to the master link. So anyways, got the chain. Master link in, right, there we go, master link. There you go. Both. So we're gonna put the clip this way, because when it comes back around, that's the way it's gonna be rotating. Okay, so I gotta hold that right there, and I gotta grab this guy and this guy. Oh shit, dude. Probably gonna be the hardest part right here. It's putting this master clip on. Do, 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 do. And then we will be done. Most frustrating part. Boom. Okay, we got the first part. Now that it's clipped onto the first pin, it should be easy to get it onto the second one. Oh my god. like this has too much slack. There's way too much slack, dude. So I had to leave and come back to this, but pretty much I put the chain on, grabbed the master link, which is right here, clipped it on using needle nose pliers. You put it on where it's, this front part is back here, so you put it in this position right here, boom, and then you grab this part from the back and then grab this pin and clip it in. So what I was doing before is I was taking this whole pin and trying to start from here and using this one as leverage to clip it in, but that was very stupid because it wasn't working. So I had to move it. See how it has the bigger opening right here? See that? You use that to push it in this way and then clip it on so that you're starting a little bit earlier. That doesn't really kind of make sense, but let me grab the old pin and I'll show you. So I was trying to put the clip, where's the master link? Oh, sorry. So I was trying to put the clip from this pin and then try to push it all the way through. When if you look, there's an opening. Oh, stupid glove. So you can start it from here and then use your needle nose pliers and clip it in. I was trying to start it from here and clip it in, and it was making it hard because then I had to go past this guy and this guy. But if I use that opening, I'm already started off on the back pin and I could just clip it to the second pin. So for those of you who are struggling with that part, start your pin, second pin right here, and have your first pin on the outside instead of having the first pin start on the first part and try to get it to the second. So my chain's on, it's all good. Just have to put the cover on and we're done, ready to go ride again. The direction of the pin does make a difference. The closed end has to go towards the direction in which it's traveling, so that does not come off. If I'm wrong, I'll find out right now.